People, oh my God, I can't believe it. It's like 4 or 5 Sundays in a row. We had a rainy morning, but it cleared and we're out. And I want to say it's 14 to 15, 466, and just flying out here, loving life. Oh yeah. It's me and Kona, solo. The solo duo.